In this video I'm going to show you how to make double doors open at the same time in Minecraft. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First I will point out that I'm recording this video on this version, okay, but it's the same process on all Minecraft versions, doesn't matter. First you need to put your doors. I will use a wooden door just for example, okay, but you can choose any door that you want, okay. You can also use a iron door. Then you make this, okay, so put the blocks on this way and just put redstone on these two blocks, okay, at the top on the doors. Just put a button, and if you click on the button the two doors will open. So I recommend you to hide the redstone to make your house beautiful, okay. So you just need to hide the redstone right here, and if you click on the button the two doors will open. You can also put the button on this position to make the same process. This is the quickest way to make the two doors open at the same time in Minecraft. I hope I helped you on how to make double doors open at the same time in Minecraft. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.